Hunkydory's Little Book of Rose Gold Moments is filled with pretty rose gold artwork for such a charming look. It measures 4 1/4 by 6 inches. It has 144 sheets, so nice and thick. 24 different designs, so you get 6 of each one of the images I'm going to show you. So they are single-sided paper, and like I said, you get 6 of each, and these have some great sentiments. You are my today and all of my tomorrows, and some beautiful florals on there, so that's a beautiful look. So 6 of those. What I love is that you can take 6 of those and you can make a little note set, you know, 6 cards of those with all the same cover. But if you really need a quick card and you want the sentiment all ready to go, every day holds the possibility of a miracle. That's nice to have the sentiments right on there. You're also going to get some real great imagery. Oh, what a beautiful flamingo on there. And then you're going to get areas where you can stamp on here. You can write on there. That's going to be beautiful. So I like that combination, that you're getting some sentiments and you're getting this beautiful imagery, and you get 6 of each, especially for you. And these are going to be great for all sorts of occasions. Beautiful. I love the different styles of artwork that you get all in one book, so you can really choose what you think the person you want to send your card to is going to want. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. So it's got some really fun sentiments. This one says just for you, in a really kind of a nice way. That looks like a teacup almost that way. I like that look. So 6 of each image. This would be fun for scrapbooking too. You could put these next to or behind photos, put a few of them on a page. New York City, so it's sort of could be used for a travel theme. You don't have to go to New York City to put that on a scrapbooking page. You can use it for anything. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. And you can just place these on a card. You can even make the card this size, 4 1/4 by 6 inches. No problem. Just cut it, trim it down to that size, and you have a beautiful card front. And we're sometimes too busy to make some of the more involved cards, but people still like getting handmade cards, and something simple like this, they would really appreciate that. If I had a flower for every time I've thought of you, I could walk forever in my garden. So a beautiful look there and a beautiful sentiment. 6 of those, and you can also turn these into gift cards really easily, or cut out into pieces and make tags, so that would work nicely. I do love all of the different artwork. Hunkydory is really good at collecting all of these different styles of artwork and putting them all together, and I do love the florals. So this little book of rose gold moments has some beautiful moments in there, and 144 designs, and that's from Hunkydory.